Hello kids, yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity, and I on behalf of Yellow class welcome you for a nice DIY activity. As you all know, Makar Sankranti is approaching, so we are going to make this beautiful 3D kites, okay, which are flying very high in the sky. And before I start, you all know I never start my DIY sessions without saying this beautiful line where we say, let us learn to fly high with Yellow class DIY. And same way we are making these beautiful kites which are flying high. These are 3D kites which we are making on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. Okay, so let us see what all things do we need. So we need a white color sheet, a thick white color sheet, and different colors of papers to cut these kites. So any bright colors you can take which is with you. Even small pieces will do, kids. Pencils, scale, sketch pens, a black marker, a white color sheet, one more white color sheet to make the clouds. We will cut the clouds, okay, and definitely the toothpick, okay. Then for the base, we need a blue color, a light blue color, water, and definitely a brush. And you can use your tray for mixing the colors. I'm just using sky blue color for white with water. This is my water paints to give the look of a sky. So first what we are going to do, we are going to paint our sheet with the blue color. Okay, toothpick I have told you, and a water. So what we are going to do, we are just going to take this blue color in our tray, in our mixing tray. Add as much water as you can. We just want a very light shade. Okay, and we will give the color of a sky. Just go straight. Definitely a tissue paper will be needed to clean your brush and to clean your workstation also. Go straight. And your sky will be ready. You can even use crayons or oil pastels also. I am using my watercolor, kids. And I'm just going straight. You can go this way also. I am going this way. And let it dry. Let it dry, kids. Till the time, I am just quickly going to clean my workstation. Okay, till the time it is resting, I have quickly cleaned my workstation. Now we are going to make those diamond kites, okay, the shape of the kites. So you can take any 3 shades, okay. I am taking this, this, and this. And we will draw a kite shape here. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a random kite like this. A big V, then again a big V. So this is my one kite. I am going to draw it again with a thick marker so that it is visible. This is my one kite. A big V like this. Then again a big V and join it. This is one. This way we can make 3 or 4. We can increase the dimensions or decrease the dimensions also. Now I'm making a broader one, little broader. Okay. So we just have to draw kites like this. Basically, we are drawing different sizes of V, different shapes and sizes. Okay. And we will cut it. So our one kite is this. Second one is this. And we will do the third one also like this only. So now we have cut our kites like this. Now from any of these portions, leftover portions, we'll do the contrast and we'll cut a small triangle. So with the pink one, this green one goes. Okay. With the green one, the yellow one goes. Just small triangle we have to cut. With the yellow one, we'll take the pink small triangle like this and we will stick it. So whatever contrast you want to take, any colors you can take and you can just stick it on the one of the tip down. Stick it, let it rest for some time. Again, stick it, let it rest for some time. And this one also. So this is our top. Just let it rest for some time. Now we will decorate our cards, our kites. Sorry, I'm really sorry. We'll decorate our kites by taking toothpicks and we'll break them. So one toothpick will go straight like this. Okay. We'll stick it in the center. One big toothpick directly in the center, kids. And now we will break our toothpicks in 2 to 3 portions. And we'll stick like this. Just take care that it should not come out of your kite. You can use the leftover small portions of the toothpick, or even you can take broomsticks, but I feel toothpick is little easier to manage and this one kite is ready. Same way we are going to do the other ones. So I'm showing you one more quickly. Just apply glue, stick your, again take one more toothpick and same way we are going to do the third one also. So you can increase the number of kites whatever way you want to do it. Any number of kites, 2, 3, I am doing 3. So we are going to same way decorate the third one also. And our kites are ready. Till the time they are sticking, the toothpicks are sticking to the kite, we'll make those clouds. Yes. So what I have done, as I told you, I've taken a white color sheet and I have drawn those clouds. So you all know, just make half C. Okay. I am going to do it again with my sketch pens. Dark color. Make a bracket or a C. Just draw it like this. 2-3 clouds we will draw and we will cut them. Okay. Now we will cut them, kids. So simply at that line only, slowly and slowly move your sheets, your scissor, and you can easily cut them. So same way, we will cut all our clouds. See. Okay. Same way we are going to cut this one also. So I will first reduce the size of my sheet because then my cutting becomes easy. I'm going to quickly show you one more. And same way we will cut more. Okay. Okay. So our clouds are ready. Our kites are ready. And now what we have to do, we will take these strips only. We will cut it into thin long strips. Any leftover sheet is good with me, kids, because we just have to stick it inside. Okay, I will tell you how. Just take 2 to 3 strips and you will apply glue on one of these strips and start folding it like a overlapping thing like this. So this we will be using as a pop-up thing. So it will show us a 3D effect. Once we'll keep it, it will show a 3D effect on our kites. So this way we are going to make more. I am going to show you one more. And same way we will be requiring around 6 pieces. 2 for each kite. So number of kites will decide how many such overlapping ribbons do you need. 2 definitely for each kite we need. So this way we are going to wrap it or we can fold it. So we are going to prepare more and we will stick them. So this way we will make those overlapped ribbons and we will start placing our kite. Just place your clouds anywhere where you feel they will look nice. In between that, you can place your kites first. Okay, anywhere where you feel you can place your kites, you can place your clouds and you can place your kites. And now we will just do what that we'll start sticking. So apply little glue on this, stick it. Same way, take a small piece and apply glue here and stick it. So any extra portion which is visible, you can cut it from here. And again, you can apply glue here and stick it. So basically you will press it, it will stick, and your 3D kite is, you can see that effect. Apply glue on this and stick it. Same way, apply glue here and stick it. This kite again. Apply glue here and stick it. Same way here, extra part you can cut. So same way you can do the other clouds and kites also. Now for the thread part, take a thick black marker, and from there, from somewhere inside, you can draw the strings. And after drawing these strings, you can draw those small ribbons like this. So it will give a nice effect to the thread of your kite. Same way we are going to do this one also, kids. I hope the instructions are clear. It is easy. We'll quickly stick this also. And same way we have to do the third one. So number of kites will decide your things. How many overlapping ribbons do you need? And again, take sketch pens of different colors. Take bright colors. And you can just draw a bow. Okay, you can draw a bow like this. And same way we will stick the clouds here also. And so you can see a nice 3D effect is showing. We can see a nice 3D effect. And this is how we can make the kites, 3D kites. I hope kids you have liked it. You will make it. Do share your pictures with us and do celebrate this nice and beautiful festival Makar Sankranti. Okay, till then, take care. Bye-bye.